RGB colored backgrounds are a great way to attract your people's attention, and this can be easily achieved using RGB video lighting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have a colored background for your YouTube videos using RGB lights. To have a quality colored background, I recommend using 3 lights. Number 1, a RGB light to color the background behind you. Number 2, a practical light as a filler in the background to create a cinematic elevated mood. Number 3, a key light to light up the main subject, which is you. Placement of these lights really matters. As a first step, place a RGB light directly right behind you and have 2 to 3 feet gap between the light and the wall. This helps to spread this lighting evenly all over the wall. Next, practical light as a filler. This is where you can be more creative. For an example, I'm going to place this RGB light right behind this Buddha painting which I have got recently. This is creating a triangle light outcome, which is unusual but looks cool, right? So as a content creator, use your own innovative mind and choose whichever works for you. And then the key light, I have placed my key light at 45-degree angle, a top-down approach to have a nice and soft flattering look on the face. I recommend to have 20 to 30% brightness of your key light and start experiment from there, because too much of brightness from your key light can spoil the color in the background. Also, it will make you to reduce the exposure, which will darken the clip. In other hand, if you dim the key light, then you have to increase the ISO in your camera setting, which may cause the grains in your image. So be sportive. Play with your camera settings till you find the satisfaction. So this is the summary of my camera setting for this video. So for this video, I have used 2 RGB lights. Number 1, Godox M1. I'm using this light to color up the background behind me. It's small yet very powerful, very useful in many cases and very easy to carry. Number 2, Ulanzi VL110. I'm using this light as a practical filler light in the background. This is one of the best budget-friendly option that you can go ahead for your YouTube studio. And then finally, Godox Sl60w as my key light. I pretty much use this light for all my YouTube videos. Very powerful, very useful. And it comes with a remote controller. Let me show you. Cool, right? I have added the links in the description below. If you want, go ahead and check it out. Speaking of lighting, I have talked about the lighting setup for your YouTube videos in my previous video and added the link in the description below. If you want to learn, go ahead and check it out. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Goku to get notified on our future videos. So I will catch up with you all in the next one. Till then, bye.